This is the Obscape 7-watt wave buoy with OBS mooring. It's been pre-tested and powered up in the office before deployment. The flashing LED confirms the device is active, recording and communicating at the correct interval. Before heading to sea, carefully inspect every link and joint. Shackles must be seized tight and the mooring line free from any wear. A reliable mooring ensures safe and stable deployment. When loading the buoy and mooring, follow the order of deployment. This prevents tangles, snags or knots once you're on the water. Before launch, secure the buoy on the deck so it won't shift or slide around during surf launching. Safety first for both crew and equipment. Proceed with your boat launch according to local safety regulations and sea conditions. With the vessel launched, the team heads out to the deployment site. Use GPS navigation to reach the exact site coordinates. Alternatively, deploy the buoy at a nearby location. The buoy's own GPS will provide its position once online. Deploy the buoy by carefully placing it overboard. It immediately begins floating, stabilizing and recording live wave data. Slowly pay out the mooring line, keeping it untangled and free as the buoy drifts. This prevents strain on the connections and ensures a smooth set. Once you're positioned at the intended GPS mark, lower the anchor steadily over the side. Always maintain boat control and crew safety during this step. If the vessel drifts off station, record the anchor's actual position and back up a reference point. After the buoy transmits its first updated position, set a GPS fence in the data portal. This ensures accurate position alerts and monitoring for the rest of the deployment.